special sucksuit.
Yeah, man.
Thanks,
Floyd can't lay eggs. He's a rooster. You know that.
Oh, you see, chicken poop.
Yeah. So sometimes we plant things and life gets in the way and we have a lot left over. So we're going to pull these cabbages up and give them to the chickens because they'll love them. We'll do a few at a time. Sometimes it just happens, especially like with the baby and...
This one's got a hole in it.
Yeah, can you see if you can try to pull it up?
Cut this cabbage on it.
Gig it. Gig it. Get it. There you go.
Get that for me. Thanks, Floyd. Floyd did it.
Floyd can't lay eggs. He's a rooster.
Oh, right.
You know that.
Think that one did it.
Maybe. Let's go see if there's some more in there. Are you a cowboy?
My name.
Hey, Ryan, are you a cowboy? Piper, are you a cowboy? No, you're just a puppy.
Just a puppy.
Yep. She's just a puppy.
Can I get through that wall?
If you want to, it's just gross that way. I'm just gonna go through here.
I'll just not get my muck boots started and go poop in that wall.
Don't see any today.
Come lift me up and let's see. No one.
It's none in there.
Let's see if it's some in this one.
Nope, all I see is poop.
Oh, you see it's chicken poop.
Yeah, when he gets...
Let's checking the other barn.
Go, Pipe, go on.
About the one with the white and black and gray.
Yeah. Which one's your favorite?
Floyd.
Floyd? Where is he?
He's right there.
Yeah, I see Floyd.
Floyd is wild. I like a loose
Oh, you like our old one? She's old.
I like a new
Look at this
one.
buff one.
Yeah, she looks good growing. She's a hen.
Yeah.
Roosters are coming through the gates. All the other chickens are just crazy.
Oh, yeah.
They're crazy getting out. Boy.
Can you hold this? Hold that.
Yes.
Hold it. Look to where you can see me, okay? Can you see me?
Yes. Yes, I can.
Ooh. You know what kind this is?
No.
It's a speckled Sussex. Can you say that?
Speckled Sussex.
We got a bunch of those for sale. They're pretty, huh? She's got like
sell
green
all
on her. You see where she's got green and white?
I might sell all the special suits.
Yeah, man. What about this one?
I might sell that one too.
Do you know what she is?
No.
It's a Rhode Island Red. She's
Rhode
not very
Island
happy.
Red. She's not very happy.
Because I picked her up.
Yeah. How about take that Rhode Island Red beside you?
That one? Yeah, that one looks a little nicer.
We can't take a whole bunch of chickens. I want us to have 15 miles of 10 of them.
We're probably going to keep about 25 out of the 85.
25, 85. That's good.
Out of the 85.
Thank him, dog.
Hello. This might be the one that's laying the blue egg.
What?
It's okay, turn it around. It's still on, it just doesn't show. You can touch it and it'll come back where you can see it. See?
Thanks.
I think this is the one that's laying the blue eggs. Look how fat she is.
Yeah.
See her blue legs?
Yeah.
Cool, huh? I think she's an Easter egger.
Hold this for me.
Yeah, let me put her down.
I'm not trying to see all the other chickens. Take this for me.
Take it. Your turn. Find a Buff Orpington. You remember what they look like? The Buff Orpington? They're the ones that are all yellow. That's alright. This one's a buff.
Yeah, that one is.
And this one's a buff.
That one is. That one is.
We have a lot of buffs. This is a barred rock.
Barred rock. We have a lot of roosters and.
This one's a rooster. Say hey, buddy. Oh, he ran away. Hey guys. Oh, look at me. Oh, I ain't gonna let him peck me. They're alright.
That one's gonna get me. Oh no!
Ain't nobody gonna get you. You ready to go out?
Boy. Oh, I see him. He's way down.
I can't get him. Hold us.
Thanks.
This is my favorite rooster. See him? Ain't he pretty? It's a blue lace red wyandotte. Look at me. We're gonna get some more like this, some more hens. That's what our McMurray order is gonna be. Blue lace red wyandottes. Isn't he pretty? Say good boy. What do you think his name should be?
I don't know.
I think you named him, this is the one you named Gus.
Yes, maybe.
Gus?
I might keep that one all day.
He's very strong.
I want
He's heavy.
that one and some hens.
We'll keep like 20 hens. We're gonna sell the rest of them though. Some of them are already sold.
We might sell
Come on.
4 of them.
Fight. Alright, come on. Hurry up before Pipe gets in.
Sell 15 of them. We might sell 15 roosters.
Yeah, we're gonna sell more than 15.
We might sell 20 hens.
Oh yeah.
We might